The toughest Tundra. It should come as no surprise that the all-new Tundra was redesigned from the ground up. Designed, engineered, and assembled in the US, there's no question this is the toughest, most capable, most advanced Tundra to date. Improvements and enhancements abound, including its new high-strength boxed, steel ladder frame, aluminum reinforced composite bed and fully redesigned multi-link rear suspension. The outcome of development efforts gives the stout new Tundra an impressive maximum towing capacity of up to 12,000 pounds and a max payload capacity of 1,940 pounds. Tundra will offer two different power plant configurations. A new, highly efficient twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6 engine offers impressive output by itself, producing up to 389 horsepower and 479 lb-ft of torque. When paired with a brilliantly engineered bell housing motor system called the iForce Max, the result is a combined performance output of 437 horsepower and a whopping 583 pound-foot of torque. Both configurations will be mated to a new 10-speed automatic transmission. A new interior will offer creature comforts for driver and passenger alike, including an available panoramic roof, heated and ventilated front seats, rear sunshade, heated steering wheel and more. A host of new tech features are found throughout Tundra as well, such as towing aids, off-road enhancements, an all-new multimedia system featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and over-the-air updates. Two different four-door layouts are available, as well as various bed lengths including a 5.5-foot bed, 6.5-foot bed, and an 8.1-foot bed. An all-new truck on an all-new chassis requires a fresh approach to suspension. The most noteworthy change to handling and performance is no doubt the new multi-link rear suspension, which ditches leaf springs in favor of coil springs. Ride comfort, straight-line stability, and overall handling dynamics are improved with the multi-link rear suspension, along with towing capability. The maximum towing capacity for Tundra increases 17.6% over the previous generation to 12,000 pounds. The maximum payload increases to 1,940 pounds, which is an improvement of more than 11% compared to the previous generation. TRD Pro also gains a few additional off-road attributes, including a new TRD Pro front stabilizer bar, red painted suspension parts, TRD aluminum front skid plate along with additional underbody protection and unique all-terrain Falcon tires. The all-new Tundra will go on sale later this year, and pricing will be announced closer to the on-sale date.